Okay, so today I'm going to be working on problem number 1, page 130 from your textbook. Now, again, kind of going with what the lesson has been for the week, we're going to talk about scale drawing. And I did want to take a time to explain to you a little bit as far as what scale drawing is, or what scaling represents. So, number 1 reads, the scale of a room in a blueprint is 3 inches, semicolon, 5 feet. A wall in the same blueprint is 18 inches. Complete the table. Now, I feel like these tables are really helpful because it kind of breaks down the information in a proportional way. So if we go back to what it's saying, that the scale is 3 inches for every 5 feet, it's saying for every 3 inches in the blueprint, it's going to represent 5 feet in actual length. So the way that this table breaks it down, for every 3 inches, I'm going to have 5 feet, right? So then for every 6 inches, how many feet should I have? So here, it's doubling, right? Or what's happening to the table? Okay, I'm going to add 3 inches up here, so then I'm going to add 5 feet down here, right? Because for every 3 inches, I'm adding 5 feet. So if I add 3 more inches over here, I'm going to add 5 feet over here. And I think you can see the pattern, right? Now it says, how long is the actual wall? Well, if it's saying that the wall is 18 inches in the blueprint, how long is the actual wall? 30 feet. Okay, so the actual wall is 30 feet. Now, again, this is why I like the table, because it kind of breaks down the information individually. Here on top is the inches. Here on the bottom is the actual feet. Okay, now blueprints, you can see blueprints everywhere. There's blueprints of your house, there's blueprints of every building, and obviously they're not going to have a big old paper to show how much each individual thing measures. Okay, so they kind of break it down like this, and they use smaller measurements like inches to represent larger measurements like feet. Okay, so that was for letter A. Letter B reads, a window in the room has an actual width of 2.5 feet. Find the width of the window in the blueprint. So what it's saying is that if I were to break this down even more, the actual length of the window is 2.5 feet. So if I cut this one in half, guess what I got to do to this one? Cut it in half as well. So up here it is 1.5, because half of 3 is 1.5. So the window measures 1.5 inches in the blueprint. Okay, so this table again is very helpful, and I think you can use it anytime you talk about scale drawing, so that you can separate the units, in this case inches, and in this case feet. Okay, so that was problem number 1. Again, if you have any questions in regards to what scale drawing means, or what scaling means, just go ahead and email me or ask me in class.